Today we're going to introduce one of the easiest dishes that I know, which only requires two main ingredients. One is tomato and the other is eggs. This video is going to make 4 servings, which will need 4 tomatoes and 1 clove of garlic, 6 eggs. Garlic is optional, it really brings out the flavor, but if you only use tomatoes and eggs, it'll still be pretty good. So we're going to dice the tomatoes into wedges, and then just keep cutting them apparently. Keep on chopping them tomatoes. We're going to crack the eggs into a bowl, and we're going to scramble those eggs. We're going to add salt, a half tablespoon. And beat the eggs. Beat them. Beat them. Beat them. So now we're going to prepare the garlic. First we're going to chop it up using our knife. Be careful. Prepare a pan. Heat on the stove. Add oil to the pan so that the eggs do not stick. So go ahead and pour your egg mixture into the pan and stir. Leave the eggs into a bowl. So clean the pan, or use a second pan, even better, and then add oil to it. And pour in your tomato. Cover the pan. Cook until the juices come out of the tomato. After cooking for some time, you can see tomato juice is coming out. After that, add about a cup of water to the pan. And cover the pan. You're going to cook as long as you want. The longer you cook, the more liquefied the tomatoes will become. If you still want chunks with your eggs, cook for less time. And now add the eggs to the tomatoes and stir them. At the end, garnish with some spring onion for flavor. It's optional as well, but it goes pretty well. And pour it into bowls. Tasty. This tomato-egg combination goes really nicely with rice. You can pair with rice to have a delicious meal. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're interested in more recipes.